Hi again, Ray. So if you can change the styling, that's great. So I'll just talk you through now what styling changes we should do. So as I said, the login there, if we can make that the same as the same CSS class as that heading there. The body copy, if we can make it the same as the body copy in all responsive sizes. The buttons here, if we can make this login the same as book online up there. Let's check. They're basically the same size. So same size as those buttons for the login. Register an account, same size once again. And then I don't know my password. You can see that that's reversed out. So we'll do the same. So we'll have, that's the off state, and that would be the over state, the green. So make that one reversed out. If possible, I would like to remove this line here and powered by Pep Manager. If we can hide them, that would be great. When you do that, it might look a little bit spacious in there. Just check it at all responsive sizes and give it a little bit of space. That might be a little bit tight in there at the moment. And this padding on either side, probably half, probably out to about there. It's just too much inset from there. So the customer portal here, I've just changed the color to a different background color. You can see the hex code there. So if you could update that, that would be great. So I've now just reduced the screen down to the mobile size. And yeah, I mean, if that's going to be the same CSS style, then it's going to be much smaller, which would be fine. I don't mind it being inset just a little bit as it is there, that's fine. And the buttons will all be changed. That will have moved out. And just taking up this space a little bit there. And that should really do it. If there's anything else, well, we'll just go with those changes for now, and then let me have a look, and if there's anything more, I'll let you know. Okay, great. See how you go with that, Ray. Any questions, let me know. Cheers.